think you need to invent a product to start a business? You actually don't. Let me show you how simple affiliate marketing can be. I'm on a site called ClickBank. You could also use Digistore24, and I'm just going to click Marketplace. Here you can see hundreds of products you can promote. There's fitness, finance, home, health, you name it. If I click into one of these, I can see the commission I would earn for each sale. Some of these are even high ticket offers, meaning you could earn a few $100s per sale without ever creating a product yourself. That's all affiliate marketing is. You connect buyers with products they already want and you get paid for it. If you want to learn how to choose offers you did not create and promote them with a simple AI powered plan, I've dropped the link to the AI Business Builder Challenge in the description. It's a 5-day plan that walks you through the entire process step by step. Grab the link from the description when you're ready to get started.